A is for alligator. A is for alligator. B is for bear. B is for bear. C is for cat. C is for cat. D is for dog. D is for dog. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F is for flamingo. F is for flamingo. F is for flamingo. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. H is for hippopotamus. H is for hippopotamus. H is for hippopotamus. I is for impala. I is for impala. I is for impala. J is for jaguar. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. L is for lion. M is for monkey. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. N is for narwhal. O is for ostrich. O is for ostrich. P is for penguin. P is for penguin. Q is for quokka. Q is for quokka. Q is for quokka. R is for raccoon. R is for raccoon. R is for raccoon. S is for sheep. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. U is for Uriel, a type of wild sheep. U is for Uriel, a type of wild sheep. V is for vulture. V is for vulture. W is for walrus. W is for walrus. X is for xeris, a type of African ground squirrel. X is for xeris, a type of African ground squirrel. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra.